Do you want to start a profitable drug shop business in Uganda? In this video, I will show you the startup costs, licenses, location secrets. Many Ugandans want to start businesses, but few think about health businesses. People need medicine every day, and that means the demand is always there for us.
Starting a pharmacy in Uganda is a significant investment. You will need to account for rent, shelves, stock, licenses.
This is very important. A drug shop must follow Uganda regulations. You need approval from relevant authorities, like the National Drug Authority.
Location is everything. A drug shop in a busy trading center can make more money than one hidden in a quiet road. Choose places near homes, clinics, markets, and growing towns. This is the kind of place smart business people look for. Visible, busy, and easy for customers to access, making it a perfect spot for your next venture. After securing this space, our priority is to create a clean and professional environment, installing shelves and proper storage to ensure that every first impression truly matters.
Never skip licensing. Uganda health businesses must follow legal procedures. Without proper approval, your shop can be closed.
Buy only from trusted suppliers. Start with fast-moving products like painkillers, malaria treatment, cough syrup, first aid items, and baby care products to ensure quality for everyone.
A clean, well-organized shop is the foundation of customer trust. When everything is in its place, our patients know they are receiving the best care.
A good location with good service can bring daily customers.
That is true.
Some shops make small, steady income, while others grow into full pharmacies.
To keep your pharmacy thriving, you must avoid major pitfalls like choosing the wrong location, selling fake medicine, providing poor customer care.
Start small, stay legal, and build trust. Grow slowly, because your small drug shop today could become a big pharmacy tomorrow.